Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study Mettur Sarabanga Lift Irrigation Project. Now this topic is very important for your upcoming preliminary examination. So that is why we are going to cover it in detail. Now when we talk about the Mettur Sarabanga Lift Irrigation Project, you should know in which state this project is going to get covered, and also what is the conflict going on, what is the background of this project, and how this project can be significant for the economy, and not for economy, what impact it will have on the environment as well. So the PDF of this lecture will be uploaded on a Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Link is given below in the description box. Go hurry now, click on it and download your PDF also. Before we start this session, I would like to make it very clear that this session will be in bilingual language. 70% English and 30% Hindi will be used. Okay? So let's begin without any delay. Before we start, here's a small little announcement for all of you. Now here we have new batches starting on Unacademy Plus from 21st of April 2021. Now these new batches for UPSC CSE will be targeting 2021, 22 and 23 aspirants. We have Crack UPSC CSE Prelims through 3500 MCQ batch course. It is for your upcoming preliminary examination, wherein we are going to revise entire syllabus of Prelims 2021 through PYQs and 3500 MCQs as well. Then we have 1 year batches for UPSC CSE starting from 21st of April. It will be in both Hindi and English. We will cover NCERT, Prelims test series, complete syllabus coverage for Prelims and Mains. And also we have new batches for 2023 aspirants as well. Again, it is also starting from 21st April. Separate NCERT batches are also curated for all of you in order to complete your NCERTs and make your foundation really strong. So we have Unacademy Plus GS subscription and Iconic subscription as well. In the Iconic subscription, you will get your own personal mentor who will guide you one-on-one and will provide you guidelines and also guidance on how to crack this exam. Also, we have optional combo. If you want to take GS plus optional combo, you can take that as well. And you can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. The link to the subscription is given below in the description box. You can click on the links and subscribe now. Now, when we talk about this project, Mettur Sarabanga Lift Irrigation Project, you should understand that the Southern Bench of National Green Tribunal has allowed Tamil Nadu government to proceed with the Mettur Sarabanga Lift Irrigation Project. अब एनजीटी क्या है? नेशनल ग्रीन ट्राइब्यूनल है. क्वेश्चन एनजीटी के ऊपर 2017 में आया था प्रीलिम्स में. A question on NGT has been repeated in 2017 and 18 prelims. So we have to understand what is NGT. Now NGT is also known as National Green Tribunal, which was established on 18th October 2010 under the NGT Act of 2010. The NGT chairman is Justice Adarsh Kumar Goyal and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Now the question is NGT a constitutional body? So the answer is no. It is a specialized judicial body set up under the NGT Act of 2010, which is a specialized body for handling any environmental disputes that involve multidisciplinary issues. ओके, पॉइंट क्लियर? तो जितने भी आपके इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड इश्यूज होते हैं, डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, उनको हैंडल करती है एनजीटी. ठीक है, और उनको सॉल्व भी करती है. जब हम बात करते हैं एनजीटी के अपॉइंटमेंट की कि एनजीटी के चेयरमैन को कौन अपॉइंट करता है, तो चेयरमैन ऑफ द एनजीटी इज अपॉइंटेड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यहाँ पर एनजीटी ने अलाउ किया है तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट को कि आप मेतूर साराबंगा लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर आगे बढ़ सकते हो. ठीक है, देयर वाज अ पिटीशन फाइल्ड बाय फॉर्मर डीएमके एमपी टू आस्क फॉर अ स्टे ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. उन्होंने कहा था कि इन्वायरमेंटल क्लियरेंस जो है वो मिलने से पहले इस प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी तक इन्वायरमेंटल क्लियरेंस मिला ही नहीं है इस प्रोजेक्ट को, तो इन्वायरमेंट के लिए खराब है, तो इसको स्टार्ट ना करें. बट एनजीटी ने कहा है कि तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट इस प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट कर सकती है. एप्लीकेशन क्लेम्ड दैट प्रायर एनवायरमेंटल क्लियरेंस वाज नॉट ऑब्टेन्ड एंड इट आल्सो alleged irregularity in the construction of the project, but NGT has said no, we are going to order the Tamil Nadu government in order to go ahead with this project. So what did the NGT say? NGT said that this irrigation area which is proposed under this project is of 4,238 acres of land. Now this area it was less than 2000 hectares as per the amended 2018 EIA notification. Now what is EIA notification? EIA notification means environmental impact assessment notification. Okay. The project fell under the category of minor irrigation systems that are expressly exempted from requirement of environmental clearance. Underline this please. जो भी ऐसे irrigation systems हैं जो minor irrigation system की category में आते हैं उनको environmental clearance की जरूरत नहीं होती. That is why NGT has said that Tamil Nadu government can move ahead with this particular program. Now this project is implemented by Tamil Nadu government, and the states which are involved in this project are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay. So this is all about the Mettur Sarabanga lift irrigation project. They can give you the name of the irrigation project and the states involved. So here you have to remember the states involved are K2T, that is कर्नाटका केरला एंड तमिलनाडु. ठीक है, तो K2T आप बोल सकते हो इस प्रोजेक्ट में स्टेट्स जो इन्वॉल्व हैं. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द मेतूर साराबंगा लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस क्लास. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये क्लास अच्छी लगी हो. इफ यू रियली एंजॉयड दिस क्लास, दैट डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर विद दिस वीडियो विद अदर एस्पिरेंट्स, एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. Okay, on this note we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone.